Welcome to the Big Dream Real Estate Company. What can I help you with today, Mrs.?
Hello, I am looking for a small house for me and my family.
Sure. Mrs., you are in the right place. We will try our best to meet your request. What can I call you, Mrs.?
Please call me Ellen Brown. And you?
My name is Tiffany. Mrs. Brown, please follow me. May I bring you something to drink first?
I am fine. Just a cup of water would be great.
Here you are. How did you get here?
By the subway, it took me about 30 minutes to get here.
Oh, what a long journey it is. How did you know about our company?
I read the advertisement in the newspaper and asked my friends about your company. Surprisingly, some of my friends have just bought a new house with your help. So, I decided to give a try to find one for myself too.
Wonderful, Mrs. Brown. So, please tell me about your dream house.
I don't have any specific images in my head yet. What can you suggest for me?
Oh, don't worry, I can help with that. Actually, most of my clients did not have any clear standards when they came to us. After talking for about an hour, you will know exactly what you want for your house.
Oh, really? So, what do you think I should do now?
Let's talk about the members of your family first. They are the ones who live in your house with you. So, it is very important to me to know what they like to have in their house.
Okay, we have 5 people, me, my husband, and my 3 kids. But they are all grown-ups, so they will move out. Only me and my husband will stay in the house.
Alright, how big is your house right now?
Not very big. It has got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room, and a kitchen.
That's it, the house for 5 people. If you move to a new house, there will be only 2 of you. I think we can consider some smaller houses.
With 3 bedrooms?
Well, if I were you, I'd choose the house with only 2 bedrooms. The first is for you and your husband, while the second is for your visitor. If someone's come over to visit you, they will have a room to stay in at night or just take a short nap. What do you think?
Oh, it sounds reasonable. You know what? I spent most of my day in the kitchen, so I would like to have a house with a grand kitchen. My old kitchen is too small for me.
What size do you want, Mrs. Brown?
I am not sure. Maybe as a double as a bedroom.
Oh, that is too big. Perhaps you could choose the kitchen, which is the same size as a bedroom. In my opinion, that is enough. It can be used as your dining room as well.
I will think about it. What about the living room? What do you suggest?
Do you spend much time in the living room? Would you like it to be cozy or spacious and airy?
I think it should be small and warm. I think I should install a fireplace. My husband loves a living room with a classic style.
Why don't you try an electric fireplace? It is just as real as the others. And most importantly, it is a lot cheaper.
Great idea. My sofa is not too large, so a small living room is enough.
Okay, in my experience, a house with 2 floors work really well in this case. Do you and your husband like planting trees, Mrs. Brown?
My husband does not, but I do. We have a portable garden in front of the house. I water and fertilize the plants every morning.
So, it is generally best to have a terrace on top. You can take care of your trees, gaze at the stars, or just simply dry your clothes on a sunny day.
That would be awesome. What do you advise me to choose if I want my house to be a quiet place?
One idea is to pick a house in the suburbs. It is peaceful and there aren't too many people there.
Yes, I am sick of the noises and traffic jam in the city. Everything is so fast here. I want to slow down a little bit.
It ought to be easy to move to the city center if you stay somewhere in the 16-mile stand.
I thought that place was just for the rich. Am I right?
Not really, Mrs. Brown. Real estate prices are falling.
They are? How about the Clayton?
I can't recommend the Layton strongly enough. First of all, prices are rising. Secondly, it seems pretty far from the city. And most importantly, is it too solitary?
It is quite inconvenient.
Yes, it is. Do you want to look around some houses? We have many physical architectural models up on the stairs.
Sure.
Do you see the area over here? It is the 16-mile stand. We are selling 3 fully furnished houses.
What do you mean by that?
Well, the houses are equipped with all the required items for the household. From the sofa to the table lamp, from bed to dresser, and even electronic appliances and glassware in the kitchen. It has everything required in your day-to-day life.
Wow, it sounds interesting. Can you show me more details about this house?
Yes, Mrs. Brown, please look at the monitor in front of you. I will post the information up there. Okay, as you see, this house had 2 floors with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 kitchen, and 1 living room. The balcony is large, which allows you to plant some trees. And the stairs are designed to be friendly for the elderly and kids.
But the kitchen is too small.
About that, I think you should have a look at this house. It's had everything you need. A big side kitchen, a restful living room, and 2 lovely bedrooms.
Wow, it is outstanding. Please show me more about the terrace.
Yes, it is not a huge space, but I think you can set up a tea table with 2 chairs here. Imagine a starry night with some light music. I think you will love it.
How much for this?
Approximately $30,000, Mrs.
Oh, not too much. Can I come to look at the house in real life?
Yes, why not? I will pick you up tomorrow morning.
Thank you for your advice and your kindness too. I must leave now.
You are welcome. Let me walk you to the door. Have a nice day, Mrs. Brown. See you tomorrow.